Are you building a marketing strategy? Are you struggling to get started or unsure if there's a better way? Do you want to follow best practices, work faster, and collaborate in real time with your team? Open a project and your marketing strategy workflow is already created and ready to guide you step by step through industry-leading tools and resources, giving you everything you need to reach your goals. It's like having a consultant at your fingertips and a collaborative space with all the resources you will ever need in one place. Follow the process. Start with a SWOT analysis. Step by step, you can walk through the analysis, marking your progress as you go. Invite your team and capture everyone's knowledge. Add links, documents, and conclusions, keeping all your notes in one place. Once completed, simply move on to the next session. Using a competitor analysis, this session gives you an easy-to-use template to follow and ensures you're not missing anything in your analysis, prompting you at every step. Once you've completed the marketing strategy sessions, you'll have a complete marketing strategy that you can now share company-wide or export as a report to share with your team. It's as easy as that. Nova. Get things done faster. Sign up for free at novatools.org.